You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this martial art. We'll be looking at how to say more of them, more of those names that confuse people, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, also known as Thai boxing. Muay Thai, Muay Thai, easy, Muay Thai, not Muay Thai, but Muay Thai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.